Hey everyone, if you're a motorsport fan, you've probably heard of legendary GT racing series like the FIA GT Championship or the Blancpain GT series. But have you ever heard of the GTREuroSeries? It was an ambitious but short-lived championship that never quite took off. Today, let's dive into this forgotten chapter of GT racing history. The GTREuroSeries was an attempted European GT racing championship intended to provide a competitive stage for PACE. GT1 class cars after the FIA GT1 World Championship was discontinued in 2011. With GT1 cars losing their place in international competition, the Euro Series was designed to give them a new home. The idea was simple: bring high-performance GT1 cars back to Europe with a multi-round championship featuring powerful machines like the NissanGTR GT1, LamborghiniMurcielago RSV, and Ford GT1. The series was supposed to run alongside the World Endurance Championship and provide thrilling GT racing action. But there was one major problem. GT1 cars were already being phased out. Manufacturers and teams were shifting focus to GT3 and GTE categories, which had more stable regulations and manufacturer support. This lack of interest led to logistical and financial struggles right from the start. Originally, the 2012 season was planned with several rounds across Europe, but as teams backed out and interest declined, the series was cancelled before it even began. Without enough committed entries, it was impossible to sustain a full championship, and the GTREuroSeries faded into obscurity. So, what can we learn from the GTREuroSeries? It was a great idea on paper, but bad timing and a lack of team commitment sealed its fate. Today, GT racing continues to thrive with GT3 and GTE cars, but the dream of a dedicated GT1 revival remains just that, a dream. What do you think? Would you have loved to see GT1 cars race again? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more motorsport history.